Welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy. Now, most of you have been asking me, what is the recommended capital to start with? Because most of you are confused. Should I start with $5, 10, 100, 1,000? Where? Listen carefully. Okay, the minimum amount you can start in Deriv, in most avenues for Deriv is $10. But if you use external apps, for those who have access to those external apps, it is $5. That is the minimum you can start with, from 5 to 10. That is the minimum Deriv has allowed you to start with. But is it the recommended amount? I'll be answering that in this video. Please make sure, before you even begin, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever you upload, because I really have good videos that I've prepared for you guys. Now, the recommended amount in trading. If you really want to start trading and your funds are so minimal, yes, you can start with $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, and $10. All right, but you have to be careful with how you are using that capital. You cannot go using that capital to trade markets like matches, even odd, over 7, under 3. You have to be very safe. All right, you have to trade safe markets like over 2, over 3, over 1, under 8, under 7, differs, and then you grow that account slowly. All right, slowly until it reaches a point where it can manage itself above $10. If you have a $10 account, well and good, that's a beautiful account. That one you can grow gradually and very, very consistently. Again, but you have to be very careful. Again, you cannot risk it in matches. You cannot risk it in, yes, you can risk it in even odd, but I will not recommend that. You can risk it in over 3, even over 4, under 7, under 6, until you grow it to a place where it's sustainable. Now, but what is the recommended, what is the best to start with for a first timer? I'll come and tell you clearly, the most preferred one is $100. $100 will enable you to grow that account very stress-free. If you trade markets like over 2, over 3, you'll never end a day without a profit. You'll be able to grow it. If you can even say every day I'll be getting a 20% profit and I'm done. Yeah, so an $100 account will not be stressful to you. You'll be able to grow it as you wish, and it will not stress you out in any way. So my most preferred account I can confidently say is my most preferred capital, guys, is $100. If you don't have it, please take all the precautions I've laid out for all the other ones. Okay, but if you have from $50 going up, there you are free to trade every market that you want, but you have to be careful so that you don't blow it. All right, yeah, don't use, never in any trade, never use more than 50% of your account to avoid blowing your account. All right, but guys, the most recommended capital, if you're confused, is $100. If you don't have it, you can use any capital that you have, as long as it's above $5, and put and ensure you follow all the cautions that I've stated, and you'll make your profit. Okay, because I understand most of us, you don't have that $100 laying around. You have $5, you have 10, you have 15, you have $20, and we want to trade. So please follow all those guidelines. Don't go risking it dangerously, so that you avoid making losses. All right, yeah, but guys, please go and follow those guidelines, and then I want you to come and tell me how was your experience, if it works for you, or if you have any question, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. And please make sure you like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss out, and please share to anyone who you know is interested and they might be wanting to know this. All right, yeah, so guys, that is the most recommended capital I can get for you guys. I'll be making more on this, so please guys, stay tuned. If you have enjoyed, again, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will appreciate that. Otherwise, guys, keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.